Bonjour, bienvenue à l'invité de Thierry Dib. Nous avons le plaisir d'accueillir ce matin Monsieur Anders Hero. Bonjour Monsieur Hero.
Bonjour.
Aujourd'hui, on assiste également à l'organisation de la Suisse Bangladesh B2B Event qui a été organisé par l'ITC. L'ITC qui est un organisme de l'ONU, mais en fait, c'est quoi l'ITC en fait?
ITC assists developing countries and economies in transition to trade better in the international markets. So we work on the one hand with enterprises for them to improve their competitiveness, because one can only be successful in international markets if you are competitive. And on the other hand, we introduce these enterprises to the international markets. So in the developing countries, we work with the enterprises themselves, we work with the business associations, and we work also in a dialogue with policymakers in a private-public dialogue. In international markets, we inform the enterprises about the conditions, for instance in relation to tariff and non-tariff barriers, or the conditions in relation to services trade. And then we bring the companies from the developing countries to the markets they would like to enter into or strengthen their presence in, like today where we are in Switzerland with the group of Bangladeshi IT companies.
Aujourd'hui, par exemple, on assiste par exemple à la présence de plusieurs chefs d'entreprise venus de Bangladesh pour la Suisse. Quel est l'intérêt d'une telle journée pour vous, ITC?
What we would like to have out of this business-to-business matchmaking event is that the Bangladeshi and the Swiss do business together. That's the sole purpose of this event. We have brought a group of selected 12 very well-performing Bangladeshi IT companies here to Geneva with the view of linking them up and talk business with the local IT companies. And the purpose is that we want to, or hope, that out of this will come business transactions where the Swiss will engage the Bangladeshi companies as subcontractors, suppliers of services and so on. So the sole purpose of today's event is a business-to-business event with the view of doing transactions, so doing business.
Alors, la question peut-être que tout le monde peut se poser de savoir, mais pourquoi le Bangladesh? On pouvait également choisir un autre pays, je ne sais pas, pourquoi le Bangladesh?
The Bangladeshi IT industry has evolved tremendously in the recent years. The Bangladeshi society itself has become very IT involved in as far as a lot of people in Bangladesh have internet access, are linked up, and you find today 250,000 people, so 250,000 people, primarily youngsters, working in the IT industry. It's a very innovative industry, it's a very dynamic industry, and the enterprises within the industry are typically small and medium-sized enterprises, which often suits the buyers, for instance, in Switzerland, or the clients in Switzerland, in as far as many of these also small and medium-sized enterprises. So there's a good match when it comes to size. And furthermore, the Bangladeshi companies are very innovative, and also they are very cost competitive in comparison with some of the other outsourcing destinations or software development destinations. So the combination of innovation, being cost competitive, and the enterprise size and the boutique size of many of these enterprises make it very well suited, for instance, for the Swiss market.
Mais on sait quand même par exemple que la Suisse est reconnue mondialement pour la meilleure pour la qualité de son travail, la qualité de ses compétences. Est-ce qu'aujourd'hui une telle synergie entre un pays tel que le Bangladesh et nos entreprises apporte une valeur ajoutée? Quel est l'intérêt d'une telle synergie?
You're right. Made in Switzerland is a quality stamp. It's known on many products, we have seen that. I firmly believe that the Bangladeshi IT companies will further contribute to strengthen the Swiss competitiveness and made in Switzerland as a quality brand. The Swiss companies are solid companies that deliver quality on time, so they will further contribute to strengthen made in Switzerland as a strong international brand of quality and good engineership and innovation.
Alors, on peut quand même le dire, cette journée a été un très bon succès. On peut voir là derrière comment les gens sont en train de faire des réunions en B2B. Est-ce que, compte tenu du succès de cette journée, est-ce qu'il y aura une autre journée qui sera également programmée dans les années à venir?
Yes, we find that these business-to-business matchmaking events are very important, even in spite of these digital ages where so much happens online. To do business, it often helps that you sit across the table and talk business and look the buyer or the seller in the eye and talk about how best to transact business. It's difficult to do the first time on a distance. Afterwards, when the contact is established, then you can continue talking online. But the first business-to-business meeting often helps to be in person. We have already have some very successful meetings in the UK and in the Netherlands, and we seek to continue this from here today in Geneva. Tomorrow, the delegation will travel to Zurich, where there will also be business-to-business meetings. And as part of the Netherlands Trust Fund 3 program, which is the program funded by the Dutch government that has enabled this to happen, we will also continue to do these business-to-business matchmakings. We do believe that this is a very useful way of linking sellers and buyers up, whether it happens as it does today, or for instance at a trade fair. So this is a very good way of facilitating exports from developing countries into key markets.
Merci Monsieur Eros.
Merci à vous.
Quant à vous, nous vous donnons rendez-vous très prochainement avec un nouvel invité. Au revoir.